So there's 5 rules to going outdoors right now. We're going to show you how to do all 5. So here in Montana, we're under a shelter-in-place order. Stay at home except for essential activities. But we're very lucky in that outdoor recreation remains an essential activity, so we can come outdoors. We just need to do so safely and responsibly by practicing appropriate social distancing guidelines. As you can see, those are not being followed in this parking lot right now. If you come to a crowded trailhead like this one, go elsewhere. Man, that crowded parking lot was making me nervous. There's plenty of room outdoors for all of us. As you can see, we just came and found our own little area away from other people. You should too. Rule number 2 for going outdoors during the coronavirus is don't travel. And that's just so we don't spread the disease between communities, or especially to rural mountain towns or rural communities that are ill-equipped to handle a major healthcare crisis. They have limited number of hospital beds, if they have hospitals at all. And so it's really our responsibility as outdoor enthusiasts not to visit those communities, not to overtax them, not to spread the disease either to those communities or between areas. Rule number 3 is disperse. So just leave no margin for error whatsoever and just come to a place that doesn't have other people. Rule number 4 is don't do dangerous things outdoors right now. The healthcare system is already struggling to fight this disease. It is our responsibility not to burden it further. And then from a personal perspective, I don't want to go to a hospital right now. They're hotbeds of disease. Just keep it mellow, take your dog for a walk, go for a hike, no backcountry skiing, no crazy stuff, just nice and easy, low risk activities outdoors for the duration of this. Rule number 5 is disinfect. And we all know we need to be washing our hands as often as possible right now. If you go to a store, if you go to Costco, if you go to CVS, if you, anything like that, there's our people around, you need to consider that the virus can live on surfaces. And so taking care to bring some alcohol wipes and cleaning off any packages. And then also, one thing most people don't realize is the bottom of your shoes. Because you're walking on surfaces that could be contaminated, grab one of those alcohol wipes and clean off the bottom of your shoes before you get in your truck. And then speaking of shoes, whether we're coming back from a hike, whether we're coming back from the store, we leave our shoes outside. Our shoes live outside for the duration of this pandemic. They could easily bring stuff inside. Just leave them out. It's an easy upgrade to make. The most important thing all of us can do right now is stay home to avoid spreading or contracting the disease. As you can see, I'm wearing my pajamas, so I'm gonna go home and watch the Tiger King. Have fun out there.